So in trading, we either buy or sell to make money. And for us to buy or sell, we need to know where the market would buy from, we need to know where the market would sell from. That brings us to market analysis. Yeah. So there are basic things you need to know and understand about price action trading because I'm a price action trader. I predict the market using past market data, past market reactions, formations. Yeah, so talking about one of the basics, which is support and resistance. What is a support level? A support level is a level that we've seen the buyers react on. The levels that we've got buy reactions. So in trading, we have two market makers, the buyers and the sellers. That's the bulls and the bears. That's the terminologies used for the buyers, the bulls. Yeah, the buyers are called the bulls, while the sellers are called the bears. So on levels of support, the buyers comes into the market to buy, to push price to the upside, and on levels of resistance which we've got here, the sellers comes into the market to push price towards the downside. So working with this market formation, with these support and resistance levels, we can be able to identify potential buy and sell levels in the market. So having the first sell reaction there, we can see price pushed up, market was buying, pushed up to this zone and started selling. Yeah, so price sold the first time, came to this level, bought as a support. First got the first buy, second buy as a support, and we got price sell on this level as a resistance. So now we've been able to get two sell reaction. We've seen price sell on that level two times and buy on this level two times. So to confirm a level to be a level of support, we should at least get two buy reaction and two sell reaction on our zone. So after confirming this level to be a level of support and a level of resistance, we have to look out for trade opportunities on these levels, either buying or selling on this level. So if price can push up to this level of resistance, being that we've got past reactions, past histories, we've seen this level, we've seen price sell on this level, we got the market push up and drop to the downside as a resistance the first time, push up the second time, drop to the downside as a resistance. On price approaching this level the third time, we could still see price do what? Drop to the downside as what? As a resistance. So the same thing applies to a level of support. Having the first buy, price pushed up, bought as a support the first time, bought the second time. If price can come to this level the third time, we can predict that we have to get the buys, that we can get price buy from this level. So this is where we make the buy and sell decisions in the market, working with historical reactions, working with past market movements. So all of these are past movements, so we want to use it to predict what would happen next in the market. So with this level, we can sell as a resistance. This is why we'll be looking out for sell opportunities as a resistance and look out for buy opportunities on this level as what? A support. So you can see price bought on this level as a support and market came to the same level and sold as a resistance. So it's at this point we place our sell trade, catching the sells to the downside, having our TP level maybe in between this area, right, or possibly on this level of support, because would expect price to sell down to this zone. So these for levels of support and levels of resistance, marking out zones of same price buy and sell on in the past. And these levels of support and levels of resistance can be identified on any time frame. When I tap on my screen, you can see we've got this on the left side of our screen. We've got the M1, that's the 1 minute time frame. We've got the M5, we've got the M15, the M30, the H1, the H4, the D1, that's the daily time frame, the weekly time frame, the monthly time frame. Each and every time frame have what they represent. Yeah? Like we're on the 30 minutes time frame on volatility 75 index, it means each and every candlestick right now takes 30 minutes to form. Yeah, each and every candlestick takes 30 minutes to form on this 30 minutes time frame. So when we switch to the 1 hour time frame, it still means that each and every candlestick on this 1 hour time frame takes 1 hour to form. So the bigger time frame you switch to, the smaller the chart becomes, the more detailed the chart becomes. So the M5 time frame means each and every time frame here took 5 minutes to form, and we also got a level of support at this point, which we can predict price to buy on this level after we've got two buy reactions. Having price buy the first time, remember we have to wait for a confirmation before we can buy on this level as a support, yeah, which is waiting for two buy reaction on our level of support. So we've gotten the first buy reaction here, we have to wait for the second buy reaction on this same zone. So if price can buy on this level the second time, it means that on the approach of this level the third time, we can still get the market buy on this level as what? A support, which price still bought the fourth time as a support. Yeah, so at this point you can predict the buys. You can say price is going to buy. You can place a buy trade at this point, catching the buys to the upside. The same thing here, placing a buy trade, catching the buys, because we've already confirmed this level to be a level of support by getting two buy reaction on our level. So the same thing is applicable to a level of resistance. Just spot out your zone and get the confirmations on it. Getting the first sell reaction here, resistance. The second sell, resistance. On the third approach of this level, after we've confirmed this level to be a level of resistance, getting the first and second sell, getting our confirmations in place, we can predict the sells at this point. This is where we can say, okay, price is going to buy because of what happened previously on these 5 minute time frame charts, this previous level of resistance, this previous reactions, these rejections, the sells we got at this point. Yeah, you can predict the sells here as well as what a resistance. So that's how support and resistance level works. Just spot out a horizontal level where we've seen price buy on, we've seen the buyers show interest in at least 2 times to confirm that level to be level of support, and spot out a level of resistance as well, which we need two confirmation, two sell confirmations that the sellers has showed interest in selling, getting two sell reactions on that level. And on the third approach of these levels, we can decide to buy or sell. So that's the very basics of price action trading. So for more educative content like this, do all to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support for always engaging in my videos. It means a lot, guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day.